Throws deep, far sideline, Jacoby Jones has it at the 20. Jacoby Jones, touchdown, Ravens, and the miracle is answered. I told you don't give up. I told you it wasn't over.
You said it.
So now we go to a second attempt. He is going to close. Drew Pearson. He got it. Touchdown. I didn't know they had it for a while. That's not the ball back. I don't believe it. He just threw the ball over the scoreboard. I don't believe it. Boy, what a play that was. What a ball game, huh?
So 4 receivers for David in the shotgun. Missing time. David shuffles his feet, turns and launches this one in the direction of Mike Sims Walker. And this one's going to be batted and caught. Touchdown! Oh my gosh! How did that happen? It was batted back into the arms of Mike Thomas, and the Jaguars have won it! Holy cow!
How did that happen?
That's unbelievable! Mike Sims Walker batted it back! Oh! Hail Mary!
With 2 seconds to play. Here we go. Dalton going for it all. Tipped in the air, caught by the Bengals. A.J. Green.
What a mistake by the Ravens. You swat the ball down. You don't pop it up.
How far can Rodgers throw it?
But I think, can the receivers get far enough down the field?
Rodgers in trouble.
It's going to get there.
He turned 32 yesterday. Does he have a vintage moment in him? In the end zone, it is caught for the win. Richard Rodgers with a walk-off touchdown. A game ender for the Packers. Total disbelief at Ford Field. The Packers saved by the face mask call, given one last chance. And Aaron Rodgers heaves it as far as he can in the end zone for the touchdown.
Looking long. He's got time. Is this like New Orleans?
Caught it! Touchdown! Touchdown!
It is like New Orleans.
Watch here, the ball is up, it's a rainbow. Quincy Morgan keeps his eye on it and just pulls it in.
Unbelievable.
Unbelievable.
23-22 in favor of Cleveland. 5 seconds left, first down, Cleveland 46. 3 wide receivers right, Kramer back to pass. He's going deep, down the right side, and it is fought for, and it is touchdown! Touchdown! Rashawn! Absolutely one of the great dramatic finishes of any football game, anywhere. The Vikings go to the playoffs, 28-23.
Fourth down and 10, where he has to get a jump ball in the end zone with 8 seconds remaining and give his receivers a chance to go up and go get it. Wilson takes a snap, 3-man run, looking, scrambling, now he's going to roll, now he's going to stop and set. Back at the 40, lets it fly to the end zone. Going to give his guys a chance. Going up, coming down, does he come down with it? Does Golden State have it? He's in the end zone, he has! Oh my God, he's got it! A tie goes to the receiver. Down at the bottom of the pile, and they're still on piling. The Seahawks coaches are going nuts next to us.
Third down, 12 seconds to go in the game. Niners lead by 4. Barr back to pass, pumps to the left, 8 seconds left. He gets away from the pressure, fires to the end zone. It's caught! It's Greg Lewis! Touchdown! Oh my heavens! Greg Lewis! Welcome to Minnesota! Oh my heavens! Greg Lewis's first catch has given the Minnesota Vikings an improbable victory! You've got to be kidding me! I've seen a lot of football. This is as good as it gets.